Hi, students and parents. I am Pragasam. I am a former mathematics teacher who is having an experience of nearly 30 years. I strongly believe that mathematics is not about memorizing formulas and doing sums. It is about understanding patterns, reasoning, conceptual learning, etc. That is learning through concepts. Through this new syllabus series, what is that? That is National Education Policy 2020 NCRT book. I'll guide you chapter by chapter, concept by concept in a simple and logical way. Whether you are a student or someone who wants to truly understand mathematics, this series is designed for you. In this series, every video will be numbered for easy reference as 1, 2, 3. That is, today's video is number 1. Let us begin chapter 1 from class 8 CBSE syllabus, that is NCRT book, a square and a cube. Shall we start? Hi children and parents. In your new book in class 8 under chapter 1, a square and a cube, it starts like this, a puzzle. What is that puzzle says? After the puzzle, the exercise is going to be started. That means the concept itself they are going to explain with the help of a puzzle that what is this lesson going to be about. So watch carefully and guess what this chapter is going to be. You know it is given as a square and a cube, but what they are expecting will wait. Okay, now first one, that puzzle I'll take. The queen has some valuable diamonds. She wants to give it to her son, but other people will think that she is doing favor for her other relatives. That's why what she says, she is saying that she created a puzzle. Who solves the puzzle will get the diamond. She knows that her son can solve that puzzle. How confident she is? Okay, let us see the puzzle. Shall we start the puzzle? First person opens every locker, and the second person toggles every second locker. What is the statements in this one? Very important is concept, that is English. First person is going on opening all the locker. Second person is going to toggle. Toggle means if it is open, he is going to close. If it is closed, he is going to open. Like that, second person will do 2, 4, 6, 8 all. Then third person is going to do same thing, toggling. He is going to toggle all the third one, 3, 6, 9, like that he is going to do. Person 4 is going to toggle every fourth locker, 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. In the end, only some lockers remain open. The open lockers reveal the code to the fortune in the safe. Who is going to think fast and open a few lockers, or that exact locker is going to win the prize? So, shall we go to that to do with the help of a animated thing? Yeah, we'll go there. Okay, children. Now, in this screen, instead of 100 lockers, I arranged only 10 lockers. Locker 1, locker 2, locker 3, locker 4, locker 5, etc. up to 10. Okay. Locker 1, if I click, that first person clicks all the lockers. See here. Here the locker 1 is clicked, it becomes red. But if I click again, that will become green. That means red opening. First, if I open, it will become red. Red, then it will become again green. Like that, it goes on changing. Now, what is that? First person is going to click all the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1 only is going to click. No. So let me click. That means first it was white, gray. Now locker 1 clicked. He opened the first locker, second locker, third locker, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth locker, ninth locker, 10th locker. Now the second person is trying. This locker is already open, so he is going to close it. Okay. Then fourth, then sixth, then eighth, then 10th. Okay. Now the third person. Third person is going to toggle 3, 6 and 9. Fourth person is going to toggle only 4 and 8. Fifth person only 5 and 10. Sixth person, no chance, he has to click only 6 because 12, 18 and all comes afterwards. That you can do while doing. So you are advised to do up to 100. As an example, I have taken only 10 lockers here. Sixth one has toggled 6. Then seventh one toggled. It became green. Then eighth one. Then ninth one. Ninth one can click only 9. 10th one can open only 10 because he can open 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. Up to 100 he can open. Now you see what you observe and what you are going to come to the conclusion from this one. This you keep in mind carefully. I'll come back to the page and explain using pen and pad. So now just you see locker 1, locker 4 and locker 9. The chapter is, what is the chapter? A square and the cube. So based on that you think what this describes you, okay, and how this is working out. Okay, can you think? Just think, then we'll see in the next slide. Okay, my dear children, come back to this locker puzzle. So I took example only 10 lockers. In that I had shown some strategy. Now there are 100 lockers, like this it goes on. Finally, you have seen only 1, 4, 9 are open. Okay, under 10. Up to 10, only 1, 4, 9 are open. Then you have to guess what will be the next thing. So if you are guessing, then like that boy, you can do it very easily. Now let it be as it is. Now one more thing I will start here. What do you mean by a factor? Okay, to take the help of this, there is a reason. What is meant by a factor? So a number which divides the given number exactly by leaving the remainder 0. For example, 4 is divisible by 1. 4 is divisible by 2. 4 is divisible by 4. Okay. Now take one more example, the number which is not here, 6. Okay, 6 is divisible by 1. 6 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 3 also. 6 is divisible by 4. No. 5. No. It is divisible by the next 6. You know, always a number is divisible by that number and 1. and 1. So by 1 and that number itself, every number is divisible. Now, what do you observe from these two? That is important concept here. So you can say many observations, but the clear observation what we need here is this as 3 factors, this as 4 factors. That means it is having odd number of factor, it is having even number of factor. Okay, because here for this factors you will write like this, 1 into 4 equal to 4, 2 into 2 equal to 4, then 4 into 2 into 2 equal to 4, and 4 into 1 equal to 4. That means here the factors are 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 4. But here that is not necessary because 2 repeats 2 times, hence this is having only 3 factors. Here no number is repeating, that means it is having 4 factors. Now you can check up to 100, all will be having even number of factors except this squares. These numbers are called square numbers. Which numbers? 1 comma 4 comma 9, then will be 16, then will be 36. Okay, like the 25 and 36, those numbers are called square numbers. That is this puzzle. Now what you could have understood, that queen's sun would have opened directly 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Up to 100 there are only 10 lockers which will be opened at the end. That will be open. So from that he can choose the thing. That means he thinks that shortcut and he is going to get that prize money. That means he is able, he is very good in this solving the puzzle. How do you like this? That you have to say. Okay, let us see in the next video. Okay, my dear children, I hope this puzzle you liked very much because it gives some concept. What is it? Some numbers are having only odd number of factors and some are having even number of factors. So up to 100 there are only 10 numbers which has only odd number of factors. That means they are square numbers. Are you enjoying this puzzle? Yes. If so, please like this video and share to your friends and click the bell icon. From now onwards, I am going to upload this new syllabus every day or in a week, 2 or 3 videos compulsory. If you are stay tuned, then you can learn maths very easily. I hope you enjoyed. Till next video, bye bye, and try to read more number of sums and work out. Thank you.